about the arguments. She sips a Coca-Cola, she can't tell the difference yet.
Yep.
Go for it.
Oh, okay. Hello, this is Brennas speaking, the one who was flying those airplanes in the video you just watched. Well, today, I'm going to be telling you how I made those airplanes fly better in the second shots. First, we're going to start off with the classic dart. On my second throw in the classic dart, I increased the dihedral angle and I made some up elevators to make it fly better. Now, onto the Suzanne. With the Suzanne, I basically just did the same thing, but I did it a third time, and on the third time I adjusted the up elevators even more to make it fly better because the second one wasn't very good. Then, the Phoenix. This one, I just increased the dihedral angle. And then after that was the Super Canard. With this, I did some up elevators, and I increased the dihedral angle by like a lot. And then, last but not least, we have the Tube. With this one, I kind of just like aimed more forward because the first time was like really high and then all the way like kind of stayed in the same spot. So like on the second one, I like, you know, stayed lower and like it flew a lot better. It's gonna be like steady or whatever. Anyways, yeah. So that's what I did. Take my advice. I'm a pro. I hope you have a snap all day.